Hello students, good evening. First of all, there was some issue in this YouTube server, so I was trying to reconnecting it 2 to 3 times, but now at last it got reconnected. दोनों चाहिए net. Secondly, very important is that we will wait just for next 2 to 3 minutes. Let everyone come and join this particular live session, and I request you all, even you can pass this link to your friends, those who are in need of this free live revision session for new syllabus. It is for new syllabus, guys. So just we'll wait for next 2 to 3 minutes and we'll start, guys. In next 2 to 3 minutes, guys, we'll start. I hope you all are fine. Okay, is my audio video clear, guys? Come on, type in the chat box. Guys, come on, type in the chat box. Is audio video clear? I think so. This is more better. बंद है window. Okay. Guys, we'll wait because there was a delay of 5 minutes from my side, so we'll wait for next 2 to 3 minutes. His volume is very low, guys. I think so. This is the max volume which I am using right now. Yeah, so this is the maximum volume which I am using right now. Very good evening to all of you, and what I need from your side is, guys, your module of chapter number 4. Okay, so we are doing a revision of chapter number 4. And guys, it is very important that you please all are connected in Telegram channel, because everything I am posting in Telegram channel, all the links, how to get connected, live videos, etc. We are doing chapter number 4. This is the timetable, guys, so you can take a snapshot if you people want it. Yeah, this is the timetable, guys. Yeah, new syllabus. So guys, let us start. Come on, are you people ready, guys? Come on, type in the chat box. Please provide this link to your maximum friend, and let them take this maximum advantage, guys. So come on, guys, type in the chat box. Are you people ready? This is for new syllabus, again I am telling you, and it is a revision lecture, guys. So just remember one thing, whenever I tell it's a revision lecture, so but obvious I am expecting that you people must have just gone through the main lectures and then attending the lecture. If the main lecture you people have attended and then attending this lecture, then believe me, it will be very, very useful for you people. So guys, let us start. Yeah guys, let us start with our chapter number 4. Okay guys, my first answer, I am ready with my module, page number 4.57. Okay, this we are doing as per our this thing. One second guys. This we are doing as per our question answer list. So everything is done as per our question answer list. Chapter number 4. Yeah, so chapter number 4, and it's a revision, again I'm telling you guys, so I will be little fast but obvious. So let us start guys. Yeah, just checking everything is fine or not. Yes, everything is fine guys. So let us start guys, chapter number 4. First we are doing very important, all the cloud related questions. So let us do all together. Okay guys, it's a revision. If you have learnt it something, then it will be very easy guys. Listen now. Public cloud, private, hybrid, and community cloud. I am teaching all this cloud all together, so it will be very fast guys. Okay guys, now listen, what is public cloud? Now listen, first thing, cloud means what guys? I'm telling you, see, if you are using storage of some another computer, again I'm telling you, if you are using storage of some another computer and you are paying money for it, then that computer is called as public cloud. If you are using storage of your own computer, then that is called as private cloud. Now listen guys, hybrid cloud. If you are using your computer storage, you are keeping some data in your storage, in your own personal computer, and you are keeping some data in some another computer, that is called hybrid. And community means same community people. Now what is public cloud guys? Listen, why I am doing this distinguish between, so you can learn it. Public cloud is for general public, it is for everyone. Private, it is for exclusively for organization. Exclusively word is very important. Exclusively for organization, not for outsider within the enterprise. Hybrid, now what will be in hybrid? I am telling you, hybrid will be like the part data you have to store in public, and the important part, important data, you will store in private. Community, who goes for community? Those who can't afford private, because for private cloud they require money and cannot rely on public. Okay, now guys, second point, if I am keeping my data in Google Drive and Dropbox, so but obvious guys, I am keeping my data in Google Drive and Dropbox, so but obvious security and privacy issue will be there. So security issue and privacy issue. Okay, second point in private cloud, more secure and private as compared to public. Hybrid cloud and community cloud, listen, common points, more secure than public but less secure than private. More secure than public but less secure than private. Community cloud, same guys, so remember this point is same here, more secure than public, less secure than private. Okay guys, now listen properly. Third point, what is another name of public cloud? I am telling you, public cloud is also called as provider cloud. What is the name of private cloud? Internal cloud, or corporate cloud. Hybrid cloud, no name, not given, so not to write. Very important guys. What about SLA? SLA, listen guys, SLA. SLA means what? Service level agreement. It is an agreement between whom? Between the service provider and the customer. So guys, if I am storing my data in Google Drive and Dropbox, again I am telling you, if I am storing my data in Google Drive and Dropbox, so guys, but obvious, what will happen? I am storing my data in Google Drive and Dropbox, so they have to provide me service. So they will sign one agreement with me, that is called SLA, service level agreement, in which they will mention everything, because if they will break this agreement, their company reputation will be at stake. So in public cloud, the SLA level are strict. In private cloud, SLA level loose, because user are the employee of the same organization. In hybrid cloud, SLA level are strict. Why strict? Because public is involved, and whenever, because hybrid is a combination of public and private, because whenever there is a public, the SLA should be strict. In community it is not given, so no need to write. Okay, next very important point guys, listen now, all four answers together. Now listen. Okay, one important characteristics of public cloud, again I am telling you, one important characteristics of public cloud, I am telling you, highly available, and highly scalable. Highly available means what guys? 24/7 available. Highly available means what guys? 24/7 available. So means anybody can access public cloud with proper permission. You can underline in your textbook, with proper permission. And highly scalable means what guys? If anybody demanding more storage, more resources, then the resources are available on demand. Okay, here in private cloud, now listen how to remember.
In private cloud, there is one characteristic, there is one characteristic starting from C. Very important, central control. Why central control? Because it is managed by IT department. Central control because it is managed by IT department. I am talking about important characteristics. In hybrid cloud, there is a characteristic starting from C as well. Complex management. Why complex management? Because more than two type of model, public and private. So guys, why complex management? Because more than two types of model are involved. Public is also involved and private is also involved. So guys, whenever there is more than two types of model involved, that means it is hybrid, public and private. That way it is complex management. In community cloud, there are two characteristics starting from C, guys. Remember, one characteristic C, C, C and C. One is cost effective. Why cost effective, guys? Because in community cloud, what happens? Like the entire community people, like bank community, SBI, HDFC Bank, I have told you in my example, they use the common computer. So the entire computer cost is being shared. Okay. And collaborative and distributive. Collaborative and distributive means what, guys? See, I am telling you guys a small example. Okay guys, listen. One second guys, some error in this file. Yeah, I got it. Okay, SBI Bank, HDFC, ICICI. They all are from bank, so they can store their data together. That's why we can access money and ATM from any bank and we can withdraw from any bank. But guys, can SBI Bank and Parle-G company, can they store their data together? Answer is no, because they belong from different community. They belong from different industry. There is no common activity. That is called, there is no collaborative activity between two. Collaborative work means what? Some common activity should be there, guys. Remember, some common activity should be there. So guys, these are the main characteristics. Highly available, scalable. Okay, one characteristic starting from C, central control. One characteristic starting from C, complex management. And two characteristics starting from C, cost effective, collaborative and distributive. Next guys, listen. Advantage. I am telling you. Affordable cost, affordable cost. Why I am writing 2-time affordable cost? Guys, listen. Again I am telling you. Why I am writing 2-time affordable cost? The first affordable cost is highly scalable and reliable. And the second affordable cost is DDM, Development Deployment Management at affordable cost. This was I am talking about public cloud. What is the advantage of private cloud? Advantage of private cloud, we have already discussed. More secure and more privacy. Small and controlled by management itself. What is the advantage of hybrid cloud? This also we have already discussed. More secure than public cloud. More secure than public cloud. And what is the disadvantage? Less secure than private cloud. What is the disadvantage? Less secure than private cloud. Done guys. So guys, this is what about the shortcut about public, private, community and hybrid cloud. So guys, come on, type in the chat box. Are you people connected? Are you people getting links? Are you people enjoy this revision? Come on guys. Great. Guys, again I am telling you, this is a revision lecture. You will enjoy the revision only if you have gone through the lectures. If you have gone through the lectures, 100% I am telling you, you will love the revision. Anyways guys, let us go ahead. Thank you for your reply. Okay. So guys, if you noticed, we have done our set A completely. Now set B, beyond threat. Guys, listen, this is a revision lecture. I am teaching important questions. Like e-commerce is not that like important, of course, but it can be managed by your own. So I may teach or I may not, but I may go fast also. Anyways, guys, let us do set B, beyond. Page number I am telling you, guys. Okay, guys, page number 4.73. What is the cheat code of beyond? NADI, NADI, NADI. It's a cheat code of beyond. Okay, already this is done, so I am doing here. Now guys, what is the full form of beyond? Bring your own device. Bring your own device. सबको खुद खुद का सामान लेके जाने का, सबको खुद खुद का सामान लाने का. Okay, now listen. Nowadays, company employees are allowing, like this is a laptop, this is one more, this is one more. Okay, there are total 5 employees in company, but company is having only 3 laptop. Again, I am telling you, there are 5 employees in company, but company is having only 3 laptops. So guys, these 3 are company owned device, and because employees are more, so the company owner is telling that bring your own device. So this is laptop of this employee and this is smartphone of this employee device. Employees are allowed to bring their device in the premises of the company. Now guys, this is network of company, BSNL. Now all these computers are connected here. So what is one risk? The one important risk is that network risk. Now what is network risk? I am telling you. When company owned devices are connected to the network of the company, again I am telling you, when company owned devices are connected to the network of the company, IT team remain aware what data they are passing. IT team remain aware what data they are passing. But when employee devices are connected to the network of the company, IT team remain unaware what data they are passing. This lack of visibility is hazardous, because if any of the employee device is having virus, it may hit the network, then all this device needs to be scanned, and if any of the device misses out any routine scan, so this is one type of threat. So network risk, what these people are telling, I am telling you, when company owned devices are connected to the network of the company, IT team remain aware what data they are passing. But when employee devices are connected to the network of the company, IT team remain unaware what data they are passing. This lack of visibility is hazardous. Again I am telling you guys, this lack of visibility is hazardous when BYOD is implemented. So this lack of visibility is hazardous when BYOD is implemented. Next point guys, next is application risk. Now application risk, already we have done this thing. See, we all are using smartphone, we all are using some device, okay, self smartphone, or you can tell laptop, but I am talking about smartphone. Now you tell me, like majority of us don't have proper paid antivirus software in our smartphone. We don't have any antivirus software in our smartphone. And guys, if this smartphone is connected to the network of the company and this smartphone don't have antivirus software, and if this smartphone having some virus, then what will happen guys? What will happen guys? I am telling you, the virus will spread to all the PC. So what is application risk? majority of the employee device which are connected to the network of the company, again I am telling you, majority of the employee device which are connected to the network of the company are not protected with proper security software. So guys, who is responsible for the device security, organization or the user? That is not decided. What they have written, that is not decided. So who is responsible for the device security, organization or the user? That is not decided. So who is responsible for the device security, organization or the user? That is not decided. That is called as application risk. Okay, next, device risk. What is device risk? Now I am telling you. See guys, employees are allowed to bring their smartphone and laptop in the premise of the company. Again I am telling you guys, employees are allowed to bring their smartphones and laptops in the premise of the company. So guys, what will happen? Employee will open company emails. Employees will open company emails in their device, and if device is lost, then company information is also lost. So huge financial, enormous financial and reputational embarrassment if the device is lost or stolen. But obvious guys. Next, application risk. Now what is application risk? Already done. Okay, implementation risk. Now what is the implementation risk guys? See, I am telling you, every company must have proper policy. Policy means what guys? Rules, regulation. Again I am telling you, every company must have proper policy. Policy means what guys? Rules, regulation. If the company don't have proper rules, regulation, and they are allowing their employee to bring their device, so because of weak BOD policy, the above mentioned threat may happen. So this is what about BOD threat. What is the advantage of BOD guys? Here the cheat code is, he reduces budget of technology. He reduces budget of technology. So guys, this is a cheat code. He reduces budget of technology. Now what is H? He. H means happy employee. H means what? Happy employee. Happy employee means what guys? See, employee love to use their own device when at work, and guys, very important, this also reduces the number of device an employee has to carry. Otherwise they have to carry two devices, their personal device plus organization device. Second point, employee efficiency. HE, employee efficiency. See, the employee is more proactive. An employee will love to work on his own device, because if there is a company owned device, then but obvious there is a learning curve involved in it. If there is a company owned device guys, so there is a learning curve involved in it. Okay, next, IT reduce support requirement. Why? Because guys, IT team will only work on their own device. They will not do any repairing work for the employee device. So their work is reduced. No maintenance work for any other device. Lower IT budget. This BOD is good for that company who don't have good IT budget, and then too they want their employee should work. So they are so they are telling their employee to bring their device. Increase employee efficiency. See, employee is more active. Okay, this is done. Early adoption of new technology. Employee are proactive in adoption of new things. So if any boss will tell their employee, can you do this for us? Yes, of course, employee are always proactive in bringing new things. So guys, this is what about BOD. Come on, type in the chat box. Is it going good guys? Are you people understanding? This is a revision lecture. Again I am telling you guys, once you study and attend the revision, it will be very, very, very effective for you. Guys, because of suppose any reason, if the things got disconnected, don't go anywhere, because there is some network issue is going around. Done guys? Okay, great. Chalo, we'll start. Now the next question. Mobile computing, will finish it off. Limitations of mobile computing, page number 4.68. Okay guys, the first point is, okay, let me zoom in. One second guys. Okay, ready. Insufficient bandwidth. The first point is insufficient bandwidth. Now what is insufficient bandwidth guys? Bandwidth means transfer speed. Okay, now what these people are telling, it's very simple. See, mobile internet access means wireless internet is always slower as compared to direct cable connection, and whenever you are using, you need to be in the range of commercial cell phone tower. Okay, so insufficient bandwidth point, done. Then I will tell you the cheat code. See, we are using limitations of mobile computing. This is smartphone, but it is also called as mobile, easy to carry, mobility. So there are some limitations of mobile computing, that you need to be in the range of the cell phone tower, then only you can use it. Second very important limitation is that power consumption. We always require portable batteries. We always require battery, because mobile phones or smartphones are entirely dependent on the battery power. So there should be alternate batteries should be used, which may affect our greener IT. Transmission interference in bad weather, rain, terrain, this rural areas. Okay, some buildings, tunnels, I think so, lift. The reception of the signal is very poor. Reception means what? Signal receiving is very poor. The reception of signal is very poor in this. Second is what guys? Potential health hazard. Potential health hazard means what guys? See, what some people do, they talk while riding, while driving, or while riding, or while driving. So they are more prone to accidents. So this is one of the potential health hazard. Human interface with device. See, you know what, in mobile, if you see, our keyboard size is very small. So screen and keyboard tend to be small, which may make them hard to use. Alternate input methods such as speech or handwriting recognition require training. So guys, there should be some alternate this thing, like speech recognition nowadays, or some handwriting recognition, because keyboards are very small in size. So this is the limitations of mobile computing. You can get the cheat code from here. The cheat code is very easy. Insufficient consumption, therefore transmission interference, therefore human health hazard. So insufficient bandwidth, power consumption, transmission interference 1 point, human health 1 point, human interface with device, and health hazard is 1 point. So guys, this is what about limitations of mobile computing. Limitations of mobile computing. Working is very easy and benefits is very easy, so I am not teaching it, and we are going ahead guys. We will move to green computing, which is very important answer, though it is very easy, but it is very important answer. Okay, green computing best practices, very important answer. The first point is that conserve energy. We are starting from the back side. Conserve energy means what guys? What these people are telling? Save power. Use LCD instead of CRT. Why? Because LCD monitors take less power as compared to CRT monitors. Second point, use notebook rather than desktop. Notebook rather than desktop means what, guys? See, I am using this notebook. So if the battery is full, I will just turn off the power switch. But in desktop, what will happen, guys? I am telling you, in desktop, 24/7 you have to keep it on. Next, power down the CPU and all peripherals during extended period of inactivity. When you are not in use, just power it down, all the CPU, save power. Do all computer related tasks together and do web conferencing. Do what, guys? Web conferencing rather than traveling and meeting. Okay, so this was one point, conserve energy. One point is very simple, guys, very simple. Reduce paper consumption. Reduce paper consumption. Again, I am telling you, reduce paper consumption by use of email and electronic archives. That means what, guys? Use email, so the paper is reduced. The paper is reduced less. I mean, usage of paper will be less. I am sorry. Online marketing. Rather than doing offline marketing, paper based marketing, is better that you do Facebook, Instagram marketing. Next, print paper both the site. Print paper both the site. So it will save paper. Next, guys, very important, make environmentally sound purchase decision. Again, I am telling you, make environmentally sound purchase decision. Now, what is environmentally sound purchase decision? Now, listen, guys. Purchase your desktop computer, notebooks and monitor from those vendor who follow Go Green, environmental attribute. Recognize manufacturer effort, how much they are putting their effort in eliminating the sensitive material which affect the environment. Done. Recycle disposed e-waste as per central, state, local regulation, and recycle computer through manufacturing recycling services. And guys, very important first point, yeah, develop a sustainable green computing plan. Always encourage all the IT community, all the user, give them best practice that go green. Okay, and try to reduce paper consumption, recycling old machines as per policies and plan. Guys, this, according to me, this green computing answer is very important. It may come in exam because it is as per your future answer. So guys, I hope you understood this second set. Great, guys. Now, first we'll do set D, because set C, if time permits, we'll do it. It is very easy, but set D is important. Then we'll do set F. Set G, I will give you one video. You can go through that video, guys. I am not catching up all the point. Oh yeah, actually I am going a bit fast, I know, because I need to finish this chapter in 2 hours. I am trying in 1.5 hour or 2 hour max. And again, I am telling you, this revision, it will be only effective if you go through the chapter just once and you attend the lecture. Anyways, guys, let us go ahead. Then we'll take a break after this set. Okay guys, ready. Page number 4.14. Page number 4.14. Ready guys. Okay guys, now listen. Components of e-commerce. Always remember the answer guys. Now listen guys. Components of e-commerce. Now what is components of e-commerce? Listen. Components means what guys? Essentials. Again I am telling you, components means essentials. We are doing components of e-commerce. So guys, very simple. Now in e-commerce, who is very important? Customer, user. So there should be some user. One second guys, some network issue, let me check. Okay, so listen now, sorry. So the first thing is what guys? User. Now listen guys, what I am telling.